So the last couple of weeks I've been asked a lot how to replace the splinter guards. This is a quick how to replace the splinter guard. So after a fair bit of use it gets chipped and battered, so as a matter of course you do need to replace this. So first off, just peel off the old one, then you'll be left with this sort of glue residue that does need cleaning off. To do this, just use some IPA, just give it a good rub and make sure it's dried after. There are many brands, but I just prefer to use the genuine Festool one, to be honest. So this little ridge there, what you need to do is just place the splinter guard up tight to it, press along, work your way down the rail, making sure to apply lots of pressure, and it's at the back edge. This is pretty much the same for all brands of splinter guards rails. Then just trim off the ends. So next what you want to do is place it on the board, then do a plunge cut and cut along the full length of the blade. And then a battery change, because my batteries went flat halfway through, unfortunately. You don't need to worry about the first inch or the last inch, but you can see nice clean splinter guard that we can work to and get nice clean cuts. Okay, thanks for watching.